Everybody, back with you with another kind of tip video for SudsyCRM, kind of going through features. Let's call it a feature video, not a tip video. Tip videos are more detailing. Let's go into the features. Something that I always like to show. And this is kind of like a feature that I guess we don't talk about enough. And that's going to be your social media planner. This is super easy to use. Number one. Number two, social media planner. It's exactly what you think it is. It's a way to schedule your social media posts in one place. So let's say I'm just going to use this video for example, ceramic coating wheels we just posted. Say I want to clone this. This is going to be what the video is going to look like. It's going to be like just a reel. Let's say I want to add it to a few other things we have. Facebook. Let's say I want to add it to a bunch of different Facebooks. I want to customize what it says for each one. So on Facebook, I want to say ceramic coating. Whatever. And you can do this for LinkedIn. You can do this for TikTok. You can do this for Google My Business. You can do it for YouTube. You can do it for Facebook, Instagram, anything you're posting on. We can do that in the social media planner. You can also have a bunch of different options. If you want to make it a feed, a reel, a story. If you want to invite collaborators, you can do that here. If you want to go back to Facebook, same deal. We'll go over that. Now, let's do something else. Let's say you have employees in your business and you want approval. You want to make sure this post is good before it goes up. That makes sense. We're going to say this goes out on the 29th. I'm going to say it's approved by me, and we're going to schedule and send for an approval. What this does is, let me pull that up. That's going to send the approver a message saying, hey, whatever, so and so wanted to make it so you could approve this. Let's change something else. Let's say, you know what, I do social media for other people, and I don't want it to be where they have to have an account. Such as CRM. I want it to be where I can just give them a link and they're ready to go. You can do that. So you can say, okay, filter all by this person, get a shareable link. Click here, generate a new link, auto generate, and this will give them a link and a password where they can approve everything or decline it. So they don't need anything. So if you're doing social media for somebody else and you need approvals for stuff to go out, this is great for that. The other things you can do. So your planner here, this will be all the stuff you're planning, all the different social medias. You can add more social media, so all these can be added. Let's say you have a bunch of different businesses like we do. So we have Sudsy Success, Sudsy, we have others as well, our personal businesses, and stuff gets lost. Like if I have all this stuff, I can just do this. Sudsy. And obviously we have different Instagrams and Facebooks and everything, but we can add stuff to groups. We can do this. Great. And two of them are already in a group. So if I want to do Sudsy, I can just go boop. It's going to automatically post to both my accounts. The other things you can do with this too. So obviously you can see planner. You can go through it. You can see all this. So everything you have posted. You can see content that you got going on. So if you want to like automatically post reviews you get, that type of thing, which is cool. If you automatically want to every week post reviews that you're getting and put them on like your story and your social media automatically, you can do that. All your comments you're getting on all these different social media platforms, all right here. Statistics, that's going to be all your statistics for your social media. So how much followers you get, how many likes, how did this compare to last week, how did it compare to the week before. You can also set up social listening. So if you want to they're adding more stuff for this, but if you want to actually see what is popular keywords, like that type of thing, you can do that on the different social media platforms. To go back to everything though, this is where it kind of gets all built in. This is fantastic, and it comes with it. If you are on all these platforms and you're struggling scheduling stuff or you're forgetting to do it, you can schedule stuff in advance. So let's say, oh, okay, I want all my posts go to midday, like noon every day, and I just want to automatically post on all my platforms. And then these are the different posts. You can do that with this. So you don't have to worry about it. If you want to have someone else do it for you, you can have them send it to you for approval, and then you're all set and ready to go. This is a great feature in Sudsy CRM. If this is something that you need in your business, this is something that will benefit you greatly. If you have any questions about our social media planner or how it can add to your business, don't be afraid to reach out and we will talk to you soon. Take care.